This is awesome. Yeah, I'm on live now, see?
Okay.
So we're on live now.
Alright, so you're getting your little pour over.
Get my coffee.
We grind our beans fresh when you order your cup. It takes about 3 minutes before you can walk out because it is a fresh cup of coffee every day.
Right.
If you want to pop over to the roaster, we have a European style roasting machine in-house. Billy Beans is our in-house roaster, so all of the beans are roasted freshly on a daily basis.
Right, beans.
And so yeah.
And this is a mix of
We are
something.
a vegan coffee shop. We don't offer dairy. It's all
So that's-
creamers, almond and coconut.
So this is, hold on, so this is not milk. So this is toasted. So this is, I've never had almond milk. I've had regular milk. but
It's
it's not.
delicious.
So they have almond milk. They say, I guess that's like organic or something like that.
It's just it's a nut-based milk versus a dairy.
And I guess that's better for you. So
Yes.
nut-based
Dairy has inflammatory
properties and stuff like that.
So we aren't promoting the inflammation around you. Good,
So yeah, cause this is I've never had that. I'm actually gonna take a picture of that when cause I've never seen that and I've never had soy bean no
Yeah,
milk.
that's
I've
all.
never had that.
Literally, it is fresh. It is like ground up almonds and water, and it creates.
And that's supposed to taste
tastes
like milk.
Yeah, it's an alternative for me.
Wow.
All right.
I've never had it. So let's try this. Pour over coffee.
It's got the boiling water in
Right.
it, and it's going to drip into the cup.
They're doing our
It's going
pour
to be a
over.
fresh cup.
I love it. It's awesome.
Stir the beans up a little bit.
I love it.
It's a perfect day for
I
a
know.
nice hot cup of
Cause it's
coffee.
cold outside. Yesterday it was like 80 degrees outside. So
Well, the concept is our coffee shop is not going to be a community hangout inside like
Right.
a cafe.
Right.
It's coffee to go. So
Right.
you get your cup of coffee to go.
Go.
We're going to also offer half-gallon and whole-gallon growlers of cold brew coffee.
oh wow.
You
Okay.
can take it to your home or to your office and have it for a week.
Right.
This should be done in about 2 more minutes. We'll cream it up and sweeten it up to your liking, and then you'll be ready to rock and roll.
I'm excited. And here's one of your friends. Sorry.
Hey, how are you?
This is awesome.
Good. Are you wanting a cup of coffee even today? You want to buy some bags of coffee? This is what he has roasted. Just grab what you like and $10 a bag.
Oh, you have bags. She said it's better than Starbucks. That's why it took me down here because I'm using Starbucks and it's less expensive.
Yeah, exactly.
That's why I'm coming in here because I'm sitting up here paying for Starbucks and this is
And you're supporting small business.
and support. Yeah.
Actually, business next door, a
Right.
coffee shop here, and then Billy's own coffee or some business.
Right. So this is, and then they've got all these containers. So we got all those containers, and it comes. Everything's nice and hot to your order. So they'll have everything made to your order. This is their sign. This is the milk that they use.
It's almond milk. We're actually going to be making our own
Oh, wow.
nut-based milks.
Yeah.
But for now, wise until we launch our opening, you're just using
That's-
products that we can purchase.
That is awesome. I've never had milk like that. Never had that. I've never had that kind of milk, and I've never had coffee that's pour over like that. Like I said, Starbucks, McDonald's, gas stations, but Starbucks, I'm sure it's gonna be definitely not even compared to this coffee because you said it's not acidic, right? There's a difference.
It's definitely not as acidic,
Uh-huh.
and it kind of it's a little more mellowing than some coffees.
I make my own cold coffee and
Oh.
it's better than mine. So I've been buying their coffee.
Because it's better.
So would you like me to dress your coffee up? Make it creamy and sweet?
Yeah, I like
Okay.
that. Yeah, I like creamy and sweet coffee. It's cold outside, so this is
Exactly.
why I'm dressed like. Somebody said, "Why do you have this on your head?" Because it was 80 degrees yesterday. You wouldn't need anything like this.
Right, no, exactly.
You wouldn't have needed nothing like this yesterday. You would have.
But it's gonna be in the 70s
It's-
on Sunday again.
Of course.
Yeah. So Sunday,
It's called,
see,
I call
she's
it
making.
borderline
And then they
personality
have-
disorder as far as the weather goes here.
And then they have a donation jar, so when you come in, you can
We're doing
donate.
donation only because we're not open for business.
They're doing donation only, specifically because they're not open for business yet. But I'm sure they'll still take donations even
Absolutely.
after business has opened up. But
Well, there you go.
this is
There's your roasted coffee.
this is the roasted coffee, and it comes in
Thanks
this
for
cup.
stopping
Hey, thank you.
Absolutely.
Hey, I'll be coming by here a lot more often now that I know what it costs and what it takes.
Open and rolling.
I know, right? So when will you guys be up and operational?
About a week or so.
About a
They
week?
Can, yep, y'all can like our Facebook page. It's
Okay.
Roasted FW.
Roasted FW.
Once you like our page, it'll notify you as things are coming to fruition. Once we're open for business,
And you
we'll
know
post it.
what? The only thing you need now is ice cream. Let me tell you something. Man, if you
We
can
have
get
ice cream next door.
That's
Gypsy Scoops ice cream.
That's next door. That's
Fresh made. Go support Gypsy Scoops. Her ice cream is delicious.
oh my gosh.
Delicious.
I know, right? Oh
and she has
my
some
God.
vegan options too for
She
those
do-
who do not like dairy.
She
Yep.
does have vegan options. I
Yep.
need to
Honey lavender, I think, is the best one.
I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna
Well, thanks for coming.
hey, thank you. And I'm gonna get all these
Take
pictures
care.
up on
Thank
the
you.
internet.
Awesome.
Hey, thank you. You're the
Thanks.
best.
We'll see you soon.
Hey, I'm coming back. I love
Come
it.
back.
I am. I'm glad I came, man. This is awesome. I'm gonna actually